You have a non mini LED display like me. I have a MacBook Air. This is MacBook Air. In this video, I will show you tips on how you can make the color pop more by choosing the color profile. Change it to generic RGB profile. Everything will look much more vibrant. So this is a kind of way to make it more saturated, like make the color stronger compared to the color LCD, which is the display P3. But you can play around and see which one you like. But for me, I'm just going to stick with the color LCD because the color looks calmer compared to generic RGB profile. But if you want something that is more saturated, you can go for generic RGB profile. And I also noticed that the dark and the white levels are stronger compared to the color LCD color profile. So yeah, this concludes the end of the video. If you have any comment, let me know.